Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today be showing you, we'll be getting into the good stuff. Sorry that I still didn't post even though I said I would. I am very much sorry. But I've been having this huge problem, and matter of fact I still haven't fixed it. But I recorded everything I said I did, but what do you call it? After I recorded one of the videos, one of our longest videos that we were gonna make, how to make your own executor, I hadn't been recording the whole time, and it turns out, and I still haven't fixed this, so I might just straight up fix it on video, but it turns out that I had set my recording keybind to Z, so I recorded both videos, and I checked OBS, and I didn't record it because my keybind was Z. And so when I was coding, I accidentally clicked Z a bunch of times. Yeah, I know it sucks, so let me just see if I can fix that real quick. I don't know what to put it to, as my F keybinds don't work. For some reason, some of them work, but I have to hold the window key. I guess it might be because I'm on a laptop. I don't know. But I'm gonna try and put this to, like, maybe this key. No, not slash. I'll put it to number plus. Because I can't really think of anything else that won't be used for coding. Crap. Okay. So I believe I fixed that. So I guess we'll start off with this video, and then I'll show you the executor again now that I just fixed that. Also, but I do have good news at least, that I got my Visual Studio working again because it was lagging to death. And it was turned out I had maybe 100 extensions. So I completely found I found the full file path, and what do you call it? And deleted all my extensions and made a brand new account because I had a bunch of extensions that was lagging my Visual Studio to death. So anyways, about that, let's just get straight into it. Today I'll be teaching you how you can code your own hitbox. Like I said, it's gonna get a lot more usefuler, but also a lot more harder. But a hitbox expander is really, really OP. It's basically let's say if you were finding somebody, and let's say they're right here because no one's in the game, right? Let's say you always have to hit the character, so only this wall. So if I shot right here, it wouldn't hit them. You have to hit straight at their character, and we're just gonna act like this wall is the character, right? But with the hitbox expander, you can expand their hitbox, and let's say if we made it like a huge square, you could just literally straight up shoot them nowhere near the character, and they'd still be hit. So yeah, it's getting a lot more useful. We're not doing simple things like teleporting and stuff now. We're getting to the hard things, but also more useful things. So yeah, also on my Visual Studio, I made a folder where I'm gonna code all the stuff and put it in a GitHub. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the players game.players, or what you could do actually is game get service players. That's the more fancy way. Then what we can do is get the local player. So we put the players dot local player. Then we're gonna do wall task dot wait 0.5 do 4 underscore comma. So basically what 4 underscore comma means, it basically just means that it's ignoring the line. So it's ignoring this line. And then it's kind of like this thing right here. That basically means that it's not equal to. So we will be using those two things. Alright, so then what we're gonna do is do I believe it's player, I think, or player and players get players, then do. Okay, so I believe it's that. It might be players actually. So then what we do is you do enter, and then we do if players is not equal to local player, then basically what that means is since we're making the hitbox expander for everyone but us, so if like it's checking if like it's giving the hitbox expander, or it's checking if it wants to give it to like basically local players, so me or you. The local player is just like yourself, so and it's giving it to the players, not local player, just everyone but you. That's why it says if players not equal to. That's what this weird sign means. So then what we do is local char equals players dot character or players dot character added. Wait. Then what we do is if char, or I think it's actually then if char. No, actually don't put a then, I believe. Oh my lordy lord. If char, then local HRP equals char find first child human report. If HRP, then local, what do you call it? Actually no, not local. You do HRP dot it was size equals vector 3 dot new. I'm just gonna put it to 20, 20, and 20. So it's pretty big. Then what we could do is actually, what is it wanting me to do? What's the difference? And what we could do is actually make a variable for our size. So we're gonna put hitbox size equals vector 3 dot new 20, 20, 20. And what we could do is, yeah. And what we could do, I don't know why I've said what we could do like 5 times. It's gonna be crucial variables. So we can make comments on it so we know like this is gonna be the or hitbox variable config. So here is gonna be the variables where we configure everything. So is that even a word, bro? Hitbox. So we'll make another variable. We'll call it hitbox transparency and local hitbox color equals brick color dot new. Let's do like cyan. So HRP dot cyan. Yeah, basically finish it from there. We can use the prettier extension for it formatting. What in the world is going on with my avatar? Why? Just why does it look like that? Oh, that's the fastest Xeno attached on record. Bro, there's still nobody in the game. Let me see if I can get my odd account in here from my phone. Great, I'm logged in onto the same account. I can quickly get into my own. No, I logged into the same account on accident. Alright, now I'm gonna join. It's most likely not gonna work, but that's okay. Cause I'm kind of in a rush because it's stupid school. Alright, um, oh, looky there. Well, that's that. As you can see, give me a sec. Watch. So usually you would have to hit right at their avatar, but watch this. You ready? I could shoot anywhere in the box, I believe. And boom, they died. That's because we resized. Oh, that's one thing I forgot to do though. It's whatever. You could, I can get into a more depth video on how to make it more advanced, but I don't got much time. I gotta do school. Because I believe it is Thursday? No, Wednesday? It's Wednesday, so yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed though, guys. That's one of the most really OP hitboxes. So this is where it gets more useful and not simple things and useless things. Like, but this is like, hitbox is like really good and OP. One thing I've noticed in this specific game basically was like, by the way, this isn't gonna work in every game, but it should work in most, is the range. That's probably anti-cheat in the game, but yeah. See, watch. I'll just show you one more time, then I have to end the video. See, I didn't even aim nowhere at him, just in the box. So yeah, that's my all, by the way. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I will see y'all later. And bye. Actually, let's test if that new keybind works and stops the recording.